typing on a phone, checking up and down. Yeah, that's why. I can see that's a newer generation of iPhone. Romeo Kilo 71 Lima Zulu uniform. I can see it's a newer generation of iPhone because it had a pill cut out, and I could see the screen was clearly lit, and I could see quite a bit of typing from her. She had a passenger in the back.